I already made a dedicated video talking about this G-2310, a really cool vintage G-Shock watch made in Japan, solar powered, really popular model as well. I can understand why people like this watch, and most people will use this as a beater for the low cost. And I have a little bit of problem with the one I'm owning right now. That is, the button is pretty hard to use, especially this adjust, reverse and forward button. The mode button seems to be working fine, and the light button is also working fine, easy to use, but the other three seems like stuck in there, and I figure I'm gonna need to clean it up from the inside, and I'm gonna show to you guys how to do it. Because if you are using this watch for a beater, I'm pretty sure this kind of problem will be happening in the future. I mean, you guys couldn't see how hard it is for me to push the button, but since I have two G-Shock watch and I have a lot of experience, pressing this button is a lot easier in comparison to pressing the button on this one. There's something that I just find out, and I'm gonna need to fix that. Let's begin. Let's stop here for a moment and have a look at what do we have. This is the side cushioning, which looks pretty simple, similar to most G-Shock watch. This will be the back plate with the O-ring on there, and you guys can see there's a lot of dirt being trapped around the O-ring. So the O-ring did a pretty good job at making sure that dirt didn't come into the engine, but as you can see over here, still some of them get passed through over time. So this is the thing that you need to be well aware of if you are beating your G-Shock watch. No matter how good the O-ring is, dirt could still get in, although they might take some time. So that's why you're gonna need to know how to disassemble your watch, clean all of the dirt out, reapply all the grease sealant, and then you should be good to go. The module for this is how it will look like. Usually I will test the button as by pushing this metal over here and see if they work independently without the actually outside button. So usually they will work like this, so at least I know that the problem aren't about the modules, problem is about the hard case itself. So that's why we're gonna need to remove the E-clip that's holding the button shaft in there, and then I'm gonna need to pull this button out, clean it up with usually nail polish remover, just wipe it off clean, and then reapply some grease. After I do the cleaning, I'll push this button back in, lock it up into place using the E-clip down there. Should be good to go. And to conclude everything, I believe that should sums up on how to fix your G-Shock watch button stuck or hard to press kind of issues. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is J-Chef, and you.